Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-892-9676. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Tige ZX25. Starting on the back on this 25ZX, it's got a real nice swim platform. Has a stereo remote control back here, cup holder as you see. It has the TAPS 3T trim tab system, underwater lights. This rear deck will lift up, give you room to store your surfboards right in the very back. This pylon for your tow rope. This has got a removable sunshade that extends all the way aft of the boat. We'll step inside. It has a rearward facing seat in the boat. You can flip this seat quite simply this direction, and now you have seating in a horseshoe shape. This is a 19-person capacity boat. Very nice captain's chair. Reclines, moves forward and back. Has an in-phone charger. Just connect your phone to this, automatically charge, all cordless. Has a smart wheel. No matter which direction the wheel is turned, this control will always be level. Has your touchpad screen. As you can see from the driver's point of view, there's no obstruction. Everything is very easy to access. Moving up to the bow, you've got the nice diamond stitching in your fabric, drink holders, grab handles. You got a glove box here. Have your power control here. Turn the batteries on and off. Has a lot of accessories. Comes with this boat. Actually has accessories that you can hook a GoPro camera up and put into these places. The GoPro camera hooks up to this screen so you can record all your video and excitement. This boat has got the Wet Sounds speaker system on it. Has a tower button here. Wake racks. Again, this is the 25ZX by Tige. Again, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman. If you'd like to see this boat, give us a call at 704-892-9676.